What is up, and welcome to California. What is up, and welcome to California. We are in California, more specifically Los Angeles to be exact. Some of you guys know that I was privileged enough to be flown out here to attend AutoCon. Now, if you don't know what AutoCon is probably one of the biggest and craziest car shows in the United States, and it happens every little bit, and thankfully, we are invited and we are here ready to go. That is the whole reason why we are here this week. So AutoCon is going to be tomorrow. It is Sunday. It is 1 p.m. to 8 p.m. And some of my favorite YouTubers will be there, from Smurf and WRX, the owner of AutoCon, to TJ Hunt, to Dustin Williams will be there as well. I really wanted to see his Subaru, but sadly, since he just got it by a drunk driver, his car will not be there, sadly. However, he will be there, so we are definitely looking to make some great connections this week and see some amazing cars and just overall hang out and enjoy the beautiful Los Angeles weather and overall just have a great week. So today, all morning was spent as a travel day, and I really don't have any plans as far as continuing the rest of today, other than tonight I decided to go to an LA Angels game. So we are at the beach right now. We are currently at Santa Monica. I'm gonna leave here, gonna go to grab the Walmart to grab some groceries, head to the Airbnb, and then head out to Anaheim for the game tonight. Until then, let's just enjoy Santa Monica and all its glory. Enjoy this beautiful day. Thank God for another day.
Love your body, baby, your body perfect. Me bring you your money, anything you wanna purchase. We gone up in my burn. Liquor gone up in my nerve. Bubble up your body, baby, your body perfect. Me bring you your money, anything you wanna plug. Yo, linky, y'all have be pretty on the surface. No give a fuck what happen after epidermis. For me a little boy, me a get boom boom. Miss Matty catch me with that girl, them ball. She said not a blood clot. Little boy, me a talk to your mother, how you no put on your shirt yet. Y'all have to sit down on the third leg. Yeah, me born a fish, I could a mermaid. We gone up in my burn. Liquor gone up in my nerve. Bubble up your body, baby, your body perfect. Me bring you your money, anything you wanna purchase. We gone up in my burn. Liquor gone up in my nerve. Bubble up your body, baby, your body perfect. Me bring you your money, anything you wanna purchase.
Hey, banga mana banga mana banga. Hey, banga mana banga mana banga. Roll dog, load up your bum. Fire shot, enough gun, powder you swallow. Hey, banga mana banga mana banga. Hey, banga mana banga mana banga. Pull up on your block. Hey, crowd of his scatter. Chop up on the pin that you know mana. We no listen when chat him out chat. Mr. Half shotgun, the shot him out chop. Just flat up your head, chat chop it up. Bad man, no textile dog.
So we are heading to Walmart to grab some groceries. Gotta grab a few small things of food. I gotta grab a few things such as contact solution and things of the such. I do want to give a cheers to all my bros out there, a little FTB. First thing I got when I arrived here in LA. So obviously we are in an extremely nice car, and I am very lucky to be driving a beautiful 2014 Porsche Cayman S, absolutely specced out to the teeth. Literally looks like you just drove it off the lot. We will go more in depth on the car later. I also will be doing a full review. But in the meantime, we have about a 45-minute drive to Walmart, and then from there we've got about 20 minutes to Airbnb. So the plan for the rest of the night, Walmart, go check in, get settled in, shower up, and then we're going to head out to Anaheim for the Los Angeles Angels game tonight. If you guys do know YouTube's policies, we are not allowed, us as YouTubers and content creators, to film professional sporting events like the actual action of the game. So there will be no action during the game, but we'll vlog a little bit and we'll see what we can get into. And then after the game, coming home and going to bed because it is a traveling day for me and I'm going to be very tired. So let's continue on this journey here. Get another 40 minutes in and we will get to Walmart and get what we need. Alright, Walmart is done. We are now going to head over to the Airbnb, check in, and just relax because I've been hustle and bustle all day. Two nice cars right there. I like the white one. Well, the red one's not very nice. I can't even tell what it is on camera, but we'll respect that. We have made it to the Airbnb. We are fully checked in. I just got out of the shower. I put on some fresh clothes. Notice I'm wearing red because we are headed to Anaheim to watch the LA Angels. Now, when I looked this up earlier, it said we were about an hour away. Well, with LA traffic, we're an hour and a half. So I'm now currently running late. So I'm gonna get on my horse and bounce out to Anaheim, so we can go watch this game. The game starts at 6. Right now I'll be there at 5:30 and I gotta stop to eat because I haven't eaten like 4 or 5 hours. If anyone knows me, that's not gonna cut it. So I will give you a 2-second quick room tour though. So this is the entrance, and right here's a really cool like area just to chill, but not really gonna go out there right now. Anyhow, this is the foyer. I'm trying to say it really fancy and it's not sounding cool. But got a cool little record player. Man, I cannot talk. Record player. I got my desk here, which is where I'll be doing all my editing. Looks out to the window, which is cool. I got a little kitchen area here. Nothing much. Gotta watch your step. Got a nice big bed. Got a little fireplace. Got a bar section. Notice I was already laying in bed because I am very tired actually. And then the bathroom. The king's quarters is right there. So overall, a very, very, very nice place. Super happy. We're gonna go get to Anaheim. I'm already starting to sunburn. It's like 80 degrees plus and extremely sunny, but I'm not complaining. So let's get on the road. We're about an hour and a half away. Jack in the Box was literally right next to the Airbnb. So Jack in the Box it is. We're gonna eat this on the way and head out to Anaheim. 4 o'clock, right? And it was supposed to take an hour and a half. Oh, it took 2 hours. So it's now 6 o'clock. I've been at the stadium for nearly 30 minutes and I'm still waiting to get in because the line for parking is insane. This is how it's been for the last 30 minutes. And I started right back there. Now I'm here. Guess what? We finally made it. Let's go enjoy some baseball.
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I never get back, for it's root for the home team. If they don't win, it's a shame.
Alright guys, I just came out of the game. I left in the bottom of the 7th. The score was 10-1 Yankees. When I got into the game, which was the 2nd inning, it was already 5-0 Yankees. So the game really wasn't all that great, but the experience and saying that I went to a game at Angel Stadium in Anaheim, that's why I come. So overall, it was a fantastic night. I've got about an hour plus drive home, and then once I get home, it's time to grind out editing this video, which you guys will be watching right now. Then get to bed because tomorrow we have a very long day. Tomorrow is AutoCon. The whole reason that we are here is for AutoCon. So tomorrow is AutoCon. It's going to be a big deal. It's going to be an awesome video. I will see you guys then. Be sure to like this video. Be sure to subscribe, of course, for more great content. Be sure to share this video, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace out. And remember, you create your own story.